Annex SL 4.1 Understanding Organization in Context. Has the organization identified internal and external issues to the organization? If it's okay, then 2. If it's not okay, then 0. If it's partially okay, then 1. Because the scoring from 0 to 2. Full compliance 2. Partial then 1. And no compliance then 0. Evidence notes, so you will give reference and then compliance over here. They comply or not comply. Then we are coming to the 4.2. In the 4.2, needs and expectation of interested parties. Are interested parties and their expectation defining and review? Yes or no? Any evidence? Then QMS scope of the management system. And if there is some of the clauses of ISO 9001:2015 are not comply or not applicable to the organization. Like in some organization, design is not there, 8.3. In some organization, there is partially traceability is there. In some organization, guarantee warranty is there. In some organization, it's not there. So, if the organization doesn't have such scope, so we in the system it will be excluded over there. Process of the organization, key process and sub process. Then 5.1 Leadership and Commitment. Is top management demonstrating leadership in QMS? Then quality policy. They have the quality policy in place, and the quality policy has been communicated to all the employees. Roles and responsibilities. The organization employees have defined the rules and responsibilities and communicated to the employees. 6.1 Risk and opportunities. The risk identified, assist and action in place. Quality objective. The organization has defined the objective and they have developed the objective for the current year. Planning changes. Are changes planned and controlled? Resources. Are facilitate equipment and people adequate? They have the equipment. They have the proper equipment and train people. Competence. Are competency, assist and record are maintained. Awareness. Do employees understand policy, objective and their role? What is their role, what is objective and what is policy of the organization? 7.4 Internal and external communication, the organization. Then documented information. Are documented and record control? Now operation control. Are process control and plan? Customer requirement. Is customer communication and contact review effective? Design and development. If applicable, like as I told you in the start in the 4.3, this is applicable or not applicable. Now supplier control. Are supplier evaluated, monitored and approved? 8.5 Production control. Are instruction, traceability and infrastructure adequate? Product release. Are acceptance criteria meet before release? Before release of the product or services. Non-conforming output. Are entities identified, control and record? 9.1 Clause number 9. Are KPIs tracked and customer satisfaction measure? Customer satisfaction. This is important. 9.2 Internal audit. Is an audit program implemented with corrective action? Management review. Are all required input reviewed and output documented? 10.2 Corrective action. Is root cause analysis done, RCA, and are action verified or for effectiveness? 10.3 Continual improvement. Is evidence for continual improvement availability? Now over here, as we discussed over there in the start, the rating. So 2 fully compliant, then 1 partially, 0 non-compliance, NA not applicable. So this we will write over here in this rating scoring. We will here evidence. What is the evidence? Like training record you are having, or the policy. The policy is displayed on this place are communicated to the employees. So there will be the evidence. Now compliance percent. So 100%, 70%. So if you have any question regarding the video, any class or subclass of the ISO 9001-2015, any question, please give this in your comments and we will reply to your comments. Thank you very much, and we'll see you with the next video.